related to exercise 1.3. First, subset. A set A is said to be subset said to be a subset of a set B if every element of A is also an element of B. It is denoted by A subset of B. This one read as A subset of B. Otherwise, in other words, A subset of B if A belongs to A, which implies A belongs to B. That is, A is a subset of B if A is an element of A, implies A is also an element of B. In a classroom or in a school, then all students in a school, and another one set to consider as the set of students in 11th standard. So now the set of students in 11th standard is a subset of all students in your school. So this is one of the example for subset. Now we are going to see some more examples of subset. Example 1. Examples. First one, set of all rational numbers Q is a subset of R. R means set of real numbers. That is Q subset of R. Next example 2. If set A is the set of all divisors of 56 and B be the set of all prime divisors of 56, then A subset of B, set of all divisors included the set of all prime divisors. Okay, so it is a subset of B. Next, the third example. Example 3. Let A is equal to set of all vowels A, E, I, O, U and B be the elements A, B, C, D. Now B not a subset of A because B, C, D belongs to B, but B, C comma D not belongs to A. Therefore, B is not subset of A. B not contained in B. Not contained in B. B not contained in A. Okay. So B is not a subset of A. Not subset of A symbol. This is not subset of A. Some notes related to sets, subsets. First one, empty set is a subset of every set. Empty set is subset of every set. So actually empty set is denoted by the symbol pi. This is a subset of every set. Any set A. A is any one set. A is any one non-empty set. Non-empty set. Second one, every set itself a subset. A subset of A. Every set itself a subset. Then third one, n set of natural numbers and W set of whole numbers. W is set of all integers or set of all real numbers. Then n subset of W, subset of Z, subset of R. This one relations. This one, fourth one. Let T set of all irrational numbers. So actually the set of real numbers can be divided by two sets. Set of all real numbers divided by two sets. Here set of all rational numbers, set of all rational numbers. The rational numbers contain the set Z, and the set Z contain the set whole numbers, set of whole numbers, and the set of whole numbers containing set of natural numbers. So this is the one relations, that is n containing W containing Z containing rational numbers containing real numbers, and set of irrational numbers containing real numbers. But set of rational numbers is not containing set of rational numbers. Irrational numbers. Set of rational numbers not containing set of irrational numbers. Okay. Next one, intervals has subsets of R, subsets of real numbers. First is interval A comma B. This is divided as X such that A less than X less than B is an open set, open interval from A to B, and A comma B are both excluding. That is, for this interval all values lies between A and B, not equal to A, not equal to B. So these two n values are not include the set, but the values between A and B only included this. that in diagrammatical representation of these sets is a real line. Is a real line if this one point A, this is the point B, small b. So all values between A and B contain this is A comma B. These values only included this intervals. A point A and B is not include the interval. Second one, closed interval. This one read as closed interval A comma B. Open interval A comma B. This is closed interval A comma B. Is defined as x such that A less than or equal to x less than or equal to B is closed interval from A to B and including both A and B are included. The diagrammatical representations a real line, 2 points. This is the point A, B. The interval is represented like this. The interval contains all points between A and B and A, B. So I put the circle with shaded. This circle with not shaded because this point is not included this interval. Okay. Fourth one, interval A comma B. X such that A less than x less than or equal to B is an open interval from A to B, including B but excluding A. Now the diagrammatical representation, a real line, left hand side A, so circle without shaded, right hand side B with a circle with the shading, and all points lies between A and B are shading. Then this diagram is represented by the interval open closed A comma B. Actually this is open interval A to B. Remarks. First one, the set close to open 0 defines the set of non-negative integers, non-negative real numbers or positive real numbers starting from 0 to infinity. Second one, minus infinity comma 0 defines the set of all negative real numbers. And the third one, open interval minus infinity comma infinity defines set of all real numbers. So set of all real numbers denoted as minus infinity comma infinity. Set of all positive real numbers denoted as 0 comma infinity. Set of all negative real numbers denoted as minus infinity comma 0. Next definition, power set definition, the collection of all subsets of a set A is called the power set of A, is denoted by P of A. If example, if A is equal to set of 1 comma 2, then power set of A is equal to set of all subsets. First subset empty, then singleton set 1, singleton set 2, then set 1 comma 2. So power subset of all subsets of A is a power set of A. Next one, note cardinal number of the set. Cardinal number, already I explained this one. Number of a set A denoted by n of A and defined by number of all elements, all members of A. For example, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, then n of A, number of members of A is equal to 4. So by our remark, in number of elements in empty set is equal to 0 because empty set does not contain any element. Now n of P of A, power set of A, cardinal number of power set of A. Actually here is they have a general rule 2 power n or 2 power n of A. Here n of A is equal to 4, so 2 power 4 is equal to 16. This is the cardinal number of power set of A. So general formula, cardinal number of power set of A is equal to 2 power cardinal number of A. This is general rule, find the number of members in a power set. Next definition, universal set. Universal set. Actually this one defined as universal set is the set which contains all the elements of the other sets. For example, 1, let us set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B equal to 3, 4, 5, 6 and C equal to 6, 7, 8. Then the universal set generally denoted by U. Universal set U equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a universal set of U is the universal set of A, B, C. So A subset of U, B subset of U and C subset of U. Then for some examples, for another one example, set of real numbers. Set of real numbers R is a universal set. Universal set of natural numbers, set of whole numbers, set of integers, set of irrational numbers and set of irrational numbers. Because this everything is a set of real numbers. N subset of R, W subset of R, Z subset of R, Q subset of R and T subset of R. So set of real numbers, the universal set of these sets. And in the next one, human population. is the universal universal set contains or consist or contain of all the people in the world, all the people in the world.